reading description of your room, your like English teacher, I can ask you any question that I want. Is that good or is that right?
Yes, you can ask questions. I'll try to answer
Oh,
your questions.
um, the question is, I think, is like how I can improve my English speaking fast.
How can you improve your English speaking very
Yeah,
fast?
yeah, very fast.
You know,
I'm already know some English. I can speak. I can, I can speak with you in like a long conversation, something like that. But I need, I need to know like a more vocabulary. You know,
hmm firstly, I think, are you from Azerbaijan?
and no, I'm not from Azerbaijan. I'm from Morocco.
Morocco, okay. That's all right.
Yeah.
I just tried to say that I have noticed an accent, but yeah, I failed. Anyway, that's okay. You know, the point here is, firstly, we have to know what your level is. You have to just take a kind of placement test first. After that, based
Okay.
on that specific level, there are some things, some techniques that you have to do. But do you know what
Okay.
your exact level is?
Okay. What my exact level is
Mhm.
like? You can say like E2 B1 something like that.
A2 or B1. I see, intermediate. Okay. You know, based on your level, you should expect from yourself nothing less, nothing more. This is, number one rule. Rule number one, let's say.
Mhm.
Other than that, you know, I always say we have four skills, right? We have four skills.
Like
What are those?
reading, writing,
Mhm.
listening.
Absolutely. And speaking. You know, two of these skills are receptive skills, the other two are productive skills. Okay?
Okay.
Receptive skills are those skills that you receive it, like receive the information. For example, listening and reading. When you listen, you receive the, let's say, information. When you read, you receive the information. Correct? I try to make it
Correct.
as
Yeah.
simple as possible. The other two skills are productive because you're producing the language. When you speak,
Yeah.
this is your language. You are creating it, you are generating, producing it. And when you
Yeah.
write, exactly the same. You are creating those sentences. You are making those sentences, correct? Now,
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
now you are looking for speaking. You know,
Yeah.
language is not only one skill. As I said, there are four skills. Every
Yeah.
single person, every single language user needs to
Okay.
focus on all of these skills one by one equally. Generally speaking, generally speaking, students just neglect writing. Do you write? Most probably no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you write generally?
Uh, yeah. I write like I text my friend in English. I text like a friend from another country with
No, no, no,
English.
no,
Yeah.
no.
I
No, no.
write.
It doesn't count. No. What I mean by writing is like sitting down, thinking about a specific topic, and try to create the language, make those sentences, at least a paragraph or one page, let's say. Generally speaking, people do
Okay.
not write. I mean, just communicating with a couple of friends, just chatting, chit chatting, it doesn't count that much. Of course, you're writing, but it doesn't count
Okay.
because we are talking about the academic way of just improving your language, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. All
uh,
right.
Other than that, listening is really important. If you want to be a good speaker, you have to be a good listener because you listen and, how can I say, obtain the language, get the language. And step by
Okay.
step, you start to produce the language through like speaking. Reading, teacher,
Yeah,
I mean, reading is boring. Some people say so. Reading is boring. I don't want to read. Blah blah blah. Okay, it is up to you. But if you want, as you said, if you want to improve your English fast, you have to read.
you
Why?
need to,
Why? Because you are learning new sets of vocabulary. That is undoubtedly correct.
yeah, I'm already start with it like like a small manhwa or like small light novel. Yeah, with in English, I start reading.
Yeah, of course, whatever it is, it can be a novel, novella, short story, it can be an article, it can be anything that you enjoy reading it. Okay?
Yeah, I
So
enjoy with like manga, manhwa, light novel. Yeah,
that's
that's what I enjoy with.
that's amazing. That's okay. I mean, here the point is you need to focus on all of these areas, all of these skills all together.
Okay.
You should never ever neglect any one of these skills. I mean, let me how can I say, simplify this a little bit more.
Yeah.
Language, imagine language as a kind
Mhm.
of machine. Like, for example, we are human beings, right? The human being
Yeah.
himself or herself has got a kind of mechanism, right? So the commander is the brain. This is what we have been told in the schools. And there are other, organs or parts of the body, hands, feet, eye, ear, etc., etc.
Mhm.
All of these parts together can mean something. Alone, they mean nothing. Imagine
Yeah.
the brain. I mean, imagine me as a kind of brain only. Brain can understand, can hear, can. So if you want to use it, you need some other organs. You need to have a tongue, you need to have a kind of mouth, eye, ear, etc., etc. All together, you are living. You can do something. So, but the whole language has got a kind of four skills, okay? Four skills all
Yeah.
together. All together, they can mean something. You cannot say, teacher, I only want to improve my speaking. I do not need other skills. Maybe generally people or students just think like that, but that is not the case. That is not the point. You must focus on all areas equally, step by step. You will see, oh my goodness, yeah, I know some new vocabulary. I have learned something from Maysam. I have learned something from that person, from a friend, from a book, from a movie, from a newspaper, on internet, from everything, everybody that you are being connected to or with, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I got the point, teacher.
Yeah, I hope I could answer your question.
Yeah. Yeah. You answered it well. You answered it, sir. It's like you give me the, more information about how I improve my English or for
Absolutely. The
yeah.
whole system in the world is like that. Human beings alone cannot do anything. Imagine there is a big company and there's only a manager. So how can manager, I mean the boss, the big boss, can
Yeah, the
fulfill the
manager
whole
country
company?
without the
Yeah, the manager needs lots of different staff, personnel, all together. They can mean a company. Or another example can be related to sports like football. So everybody believes that Lionel Messi is the best. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the
mm,
best, right? So the question is, can Lionel Messi himself only, alone, in the football pitch, okay, I mean the how can I say, area that people are playing it, can do
yeah.
something against the other team, which the other team is like 11 people? Impossible.
Yeah,
Impossible.
he
You
can,
need a
yeah.
goalkeeper, you need a defender, midfield, you know, forward, striker, etc. You need a coach. All together,
Yeah, I need
that is a
that.
football team.
Yeah.
Understand? So just do not forget this. Pay attention to all of the areas, all of the skills. Step by step, you will see the miracle of that.
Thank you.
My
That's
pleasure.
good. Thank you.